Hi folks, there have been some questions about my SSC and my ISC, how to wind coils like this, so this is just a little information video here for you. So that is my winding board here. I use nails to make the pins, and so alright, just well, you can see these are the gates of my SSC, Starship Satellite Coil. This is the center here, so you can start. I usually start at 12 o'clock. So this is pin number 1 then, and this is pin number 1 of the center. This is the first gate I use. So you make the whole Starship winding, you know, big ups to HHO for walls. You do the whole one winding, and you will end again on the first pin. Then you go over to the center and you go to number 2. Well, you see, go here 2, and you go to number 3. So if you do that, you will end at this pin, and you can go to the gate number 2. Make a whole winding, and then you go to pin number 4, and then pin number 5. Alright, pin number 5 is here. So you go into the gate number 3. Well, if you do that, a whole winding here, 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 and you get a whole winding here. Yeah, this is based on the flower of life pattern. So if you do that, you can also split more and more gates to it and have the same pattern with the system. You can make hundreds of gates expanding to the outside if you use this system. Alright, I hope you understand that. If there are any questions, just tell me. I'll try to answer. So now to my inverse Starship coil. This is a usual Starship coil winding, and if you inverse this, you will have something that looks like that. So this is my winding pattern I used to wind the inverse Starship coil. So what you see here is the inverse Starship coil with an A and a B winding, and the B wire is 15 degrees offset. So you would also get points here, here, here that are going inside. So this is just one winding like the inverse version of that here. So well, you can see I started not at 12 o'clock, I started here. So you see, to inverse that makes this here. So if you can see that the yellow going in and goes out. I hope that I'm right now. Yeah. In the center you need one pin, so you go from the outside around this pin and go to the outside here, and then around to number 2. Number 2 usually would be here, you see that, but 15 degrees before you go in and 15 degrees after this you go out. I would prefer to make 24 pins, so you get a better shape of a circle when you wind this around. So yeah, this is how to wind the first winding. So but after this, you know how it's working, and you can do it fast. So you go inside and out again and around to number 3. You see here, usually before number 3 you go in, and after it you go out. So and so you do the whole winding with in and out. You see here inside there have been the pin in the center. I think you can also use more than one pin in the center around. I don't know if this makes any change or something. I didn't try it yet. So yeah, you will get on the outside a big line here up. I just bent it and stripped it together here. Don't know if it makes any difference, so I just did it for my prototype here. Yeah, that's how you wind the inverse version of a Starship coil, this one. So it's easy to understand, I think, and yeah, I hope you can understand it now better. Yeah, alright. So far, if there are any questions, just let me know. Well, short view of my winding board here. Alright. Yeah. Have a nice day, and thanks for watching.